P-A-S-S-I-O-N. P-A-S-S-I-O-N. When the night is cold and strong, passion keeps me strong. With every beat I sing this song. This fires where I belong. Passion leads, passion guides. With this fire I won't subside. Team Passion! Woo!
Ganda ng cheer.
Good evening, everyone. With the theme of public awareness campaign, this poster that we make is about scam, hacker, and victim. In the field of scams, we don't want us to be a victim. So, this poster that we make is a lesson for us to understand why we shouldn't be a victim. In this poster, all of you saw that there's a woman that she wants to start a business. A man right here is a scammer, and the man in the right side is a hacker. He's the one that's obligated on the transaction.
This woman right here, if you want to start a business, but she doesn't want have a money to buy some supplies. So she checked his Facebook account and there is a post of a man looking for a person who wants to borrow a money.
We even grab this opportunity since she apparently wants to start a business.
She immediately shot the man and the mother man, saying the first loan was 10,000 pesos and that interest is 200.
The woman is asking out because she had no capital to start her business naman. She agreed that she won't be able to pay the money if she don't pay the transaction fee.
Despite of happiness, the woman could question anymore. So she paid not transaction fee without hesitation. After the woman paid, the transaction naman says, wait for 1 hour to transact the transaction and the box plus the transaction is finished.
The woman waited 1 hour and another hour, but the man is no longer open. The day she realized that the man is a scammer.
While the woman is suffering, the man is happy because he scammed another person. He scammed the woman without knowing that the man is for the business that she wants to start from the beginning.
And that's all. Thank you for listening.
Celebrate.